This EPC project with Wärtsilä entails an investment of more than 94 million guilders. WEB's own scope to cover the balance of plant, and that is to integrate the extended plant in the existing infrastructure. The below zero level works, taxes, other contractors' costs, and the contingency for the total amount of more than 21 million guilders. Our project team fast-tracked the below zero works foundations and radiators in an amazing 11 months period. Thanks to our very professional project team, led by Elton Figueroa, who worked extremely focused at a very high pace and long hours. We are so thankful for your tireless effort, Elton, and skilled leadership. And along with our Wärtsilä counterparts, as a well-oiled machine. It's a very important relationship.
On behalf of the Aruba government, I would like to thank all of those who have contributed to the first phase of this project. And we are here to assure Wärtsilä that they can count on our commitment to guarantee that this project will be done in a timely manner, and that indeed in the summer we will be here present to receive this project completed. It is very important that our community understands the importance of these companies working together with WEB and working together with Aruba to guarantee the energy security for our island.
This Recip Iii is a very complex project, especially for the WEB part, as this has been you have been forced to do it in different stages. I mean, first you had to make the new foundations for the radiators, then to install the new radiators, connect the piping, and only then you could take down the old radiators and then continue with the powerhouse and electrical building foundations. And now we have reached the stage that all the main foundations are done, and basically that Wärtsilä can start the project. And of course we will try to build it as fast as possible and to meet WEB's expectations.
A nossa aqui não presente para sobre entregar fase de projeto e está preparando junto com o Wärtsilä, mas aqui rato para estar em duas fases de projeto, começa a garantir que de tempo não muito largo depois de AWE nós vai ter mecanismo para garantir estabilidade e corrente no país Aruba. Agora que está sendo que segundo a informação do diretor, está certo serviço para garantir a capacidade de corrente, está tem acidente que toma lugar aqui mais ou menos o ano passado, que o dia de AWE está como de não resolver, sin embargo o WEB está sendo esforço muito grande para essa aqui resolver para o que é parte de seguro, pero é parte técnico está de mão de Wärtsilä e segundo o diretor promete que o schedule planeado nós receber projeto mais bonito mesmo para garantir a segurança de corrente no nosso país. Palavra para bem no vosso futuro e vamos trabalhar duro para nos entregar o projeto aqui, promete que é deadline de augustus do Troia. Danke.